So guys, I just want to share. This is the room where we are going to have Sound of Marching. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how big it is. This is so good. Look at it. Ah. So this is one of the major rooms. This is going to be the room, the place where we will gather in the morning hours, where we will start first with opening sessions and worship and praise and all these things. And then this room is so big. I think, what did he say? Well, a lot of people fit here. And then in total, we have in total 9 rooms. We have in total 9 rooms, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so excited about it. So we will be sharing more and more behind the scene footages of Sound of Marching. So keep updated. We will keep you updated. So make sure that you will follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you also share this event with all dancers. This event is for all dancers, beginners, professionals, urban, contemporary dancers, like all dancers. So we really want to create this space where you are being refreshed with wonderful teachers, wonderful speakers, and panel discussions, a battle, and yeah, that's it. So guys, bless you and see you next time.